When we eat, our food is digested, absorbed, and assimilated in that order. Some food is not digested or absorbed. They serve another purpose, such as fiber, which attaches itself to toxins, providing bulk and eliminating waste from our mind-body. Protein has minimum fiber, and fat has none. Carbohydrates contain both starches, which are digested, and fiber, which is not outlined. Absorption happens when food is taken from our intestine into our bloodstream, which delivers it to our cells for assimilation. Digested molecules of food, water, and minerals are absorbed from the cavity of the upper part of our small intestine. The absorbed minerals then cross the mucosa into our bloodstream and are carried to various body parts for chemical change or storage. Each nutrient acts slightly differently in assimilation and metabolic process. By definition, the assimilation of food is the act of becoming part of something greater. In this case, the food is converted to become a part of our mind-body. Nutrients are incorporated into every cell of our mind-body, feeding, nurturing, maintaining, and repairing them moment by moment. Saliva begins the whole digestive process in the mouth in the case of carbohydrates, so it's essential to chew your food well. Starches are digested in several phases. An enzyme our salivary glands produce first breaks them into simpler molecules in the mouth. Juice produced by the pancreas takes it a step further, and finally, the small intestine's lining completes the digestion. First, the saliva and pancreatic juice break the molecules into maltose. An enzyme produced by the small intestine's lining called maltase splits the maltose into glucose molecules, which are then easily absorbed into the bloodstream. The glucose is transported via the bloodstream to the liver for storage and energy. Regarding proteins such as meat, eggs, and even beans, we are talking about giant molecules that must be fully digested before they can build and repair the body's tissues. The first port of call for protein digestion is hydrochloric acid produced by the stomach. Hereafter, the protein is transported to the small intestine. Many enzymes from the pancreatic juice and the intestine's lining continue to break down these large molecules into much smaller ones, called amino acids. In this state, the molecules can now be absorbed from the hollow of the small intestine into the blood and carried to every body part. Protein is vital for life as the building and repair process continues throughout our lives, so this is protein's primary function, as well as providing much needed nutrients that we won't get from other foods. Sugars are carbohydrates, as is the lactose in milk, and these need to undergo digestion to be absorbed. Milk needs the enzyme lactase in the intestinal lining to convert lactose into absorbable molecules. Anything ending in users a sugar such as maltose, sucrose, fructose, etc. Fat molecules are an outstanding energy source for the body, and going low fat is a mistake if you want plenty of energy. Instead, the idea is to have more healthy fats and none of the damaged or useless, to the body, fats. With fats, the body will first need to dissolve the molecules into a more water substance to use them. Bile acids produced by the liver act as natural detergents, if you like, which dissolve fat in the water, allowing the enzymes to break the large fat molecules into smaller ones. Some of which are fatty acids and cholesterol. Dishwashing liquid is an excellent example of this. The detergent breaks down the grease in warm water, allowing the dishes to be cleaned. These bile acids unite with the fatty acids and cholesterol, moving the molecules into the cells of the mucosa. This is all part of the process which allows fat to be absorbed by the body and